Just before I start the video, just to let you know one more thing. Surfers, if you guys are gonna watch this, you better watch out for me, cause I'm gonna be in Surfer's game, City Whip. Alright, since he shouted me out, I'm gonna shout him out. Shout out to you, Surfers. Bye bye. Anyways, guys, he's also in my game. If you wanna guys join, go to my profile or go to his profile and join him. Cause I'm following him. He probably friended me, but I'm gonna revoke it and then do this again. I already followed him. Everything. We're all good. This is where we last saw him. Well, I was last at. There he is, guys. I'm recording. There he is. There he is. We got him on sight. Here is the real man. I can tell. See, this guy is the real man. Now he's flying around this building somewhere. Oh, God. He scared me. You? You scared me. You scared me. Yo! Oh my God! He looks so creepy. What? I want a gun. He's around here because I just heard him like, choo. So he's pretty much gonna be my friend, best friend forever, and I also followed him, and he's also the owner. See this? If you guys see this, that means he's the owner. He's the real man himself. Ow! I just got shot. I was like, ow! I just got shot. I wanna ask him if he can add a badge, so whoever finds me in the game, they get a badge for meeting co and a friend. If he laughs and does it, I'm gonna be like, yo. Because he's the real man I'm dealing with right now. If you see him, just, you'll know right away that's him. That is him. Himself. I'm just getting a gun. The only gun I can get, let's just see. The only gun I can take. Ow! I did nothing to you! Wow, not trusting me. Surfers right there, guys. Surfers is the man. Like, again, before I started the video, I told you, I shouted him out, he shouted me out as well. We got millions of people over here. What if his friends are in the game? Or old friend. What do you have? I'm looking. Let me see your rifles. Look. Hey, hey, hey! No fighting. Now I have to head all the way over there and look around for him. Now I have to look all around for him. If I see someone like that, burn. Here, tell me if you saw surfers in your whole entire life, because I actually met the creator of Avengers Testing. Avenger, Iron Man, testing. I mean, Iron Man Simulator. And he also, since he's a 2 millionaire, like a millionaire, he's pretty much like that. Bacon hair, dumb bacon hairs, thinking that people are dumb. Confirm. Damn. Yeah. Let me see your SMGs. Take a look. Actually, changed my mind. Let's go for a pistol. I'm looking for a pistol. Glock 200. Here you go. $200 Glock. After this, I'm gonna kill that girl and see how much money she has. They gave me a decent lot of money. Dang. Oh my god. He thought it was someone. I'm gonna get a screenshot. So guys, this is gonna be the one that I'm gonna use for my thumbnail. All these people. So I got a thumbnail right here, thumbnail there, thumbnail there, there, and here is the one right here. Let me load it up. Photos. Here, I'll edit the picture a little bit while off camera. If the picture would show up. Failed save. Everyone's doing a screenshot, so like, bruh. Everyone's going far. He just saw that. Uh-oh. Oh. Oh. No! I'm like, no! People catch us. Alright, this is the picture I'm gonna be uploading. So yeah. If you guys see this picture, this is the picture. This is the last picture. This is the last picture. Last picture, because this guy was cool. And then we did all the screenshot, so everyone was looking at it. So this one was looking at it, this one was looking at it, this one was looking at it, and we had a fun RP there. So that's when I was gonna upload a video there, but it failed. I'm sorry, it failed. Plus I was with one of my friends and they left. So the next one was this one. So I was met up with this guy. He was awesome, my friend and him. Then we kept changing. And then here was a one. There was an amazing guy. He checked out my channel. He said what's up and everything. And we were also friends. He was also named Ash. Ash Plays. So that's everything. So if you want me to scroll through, I'll scroll through with on a big screen. So here you go. There you go, guys. That's the scroll through. So if you want me to scroll through again, here it is. And if you guys want to take a look, I'm going to add something right there. So if you guys want to check it, the editing process, it will be made. So anyways, I'm going to start